In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a team retrospective in Confluence from start to finish. We'll begin by opening Confluence and heading to your team space. Starting in the correct space keeps everything organized and ensures the right people can access and contribute. Use the sidebar or search to find the space your team uses regularly. Once you're in, you're setting the stage for a centralized, transparent discussion. Next, create a new page for the retrospective. Click to create a page and give it a clear, descriptive title. Something like Sprint 12 Retrospective or Q2 Release Retro, so it's easy to find later. If your space has a folder or parent page for team ceremonies, place it there to keep your documentation tidy and consistent. If your Confluence instance offers a retrospective template, use it. Templates save time and provide a helpful structure, especially if your team is new to retrospectives. They often include pre-built sections and formatting that encourage focused, balanced feedback. If a template isn't available, no problem. You can still create a solid page by adding the key sections yourself. Add sections for what went well, what did not go well, and action items. Keep the headings simple and clear. Under what went well, prompt the team to note successes, wins, and process improvements to keep. Under what did not go well, encourage constructive, specific observations about blockers, communication gaps, or inefficiencies. Reserve action items for concrete follow-ups, ideally with owners and target dates so they're trackable and realistic. Now invite your team to add their feedback. Share the page link and ask everyone to contribute before the meeting, directly on the page or in comments. Set expectations for respectful, concise input and ask for examples where possible. This asynchronous step helps surface more perspectives and makes the live conversation more efficient. During the meeting, review the feedback together. Walk through what went well to recognize wins and reinforce good practices. Move to what did not go well, grouping similar points and clarifying intent where needed. Keep the discussion time-boxed and outcome-focused, then translate the most important themes into actionable next steps in the action items section. Finally, publish or update the page with your final decisions and next steps. Confirm owners and timelines, add any notes captured during the discussion, and publish so the whole team can reference it later. This closes the loop, turns insights into action, and sets you up for an even stronger next iteration.